This video demonstrates the step-by-step procedure to install the Profile Compact Dishwasher using the built-in kit. The dimensions of the compact dishwasher unit and the frame of the built-in kit assembled together are displayed on the screen. The tools required to install the compact dishwasher and built-in kit are displayed on the screen. Note that these are not provided with the product. The hardware included in the built-in kit is displayed on the screen. Before proceeding with the installation, ensure that the electrical requirements listed on the screen are met. Ensure that the inlet hose preparation instructions that are displayed on the screen are followed. Determine the size of the inlet port on your waste tee or air gap, and if required, cut the drain hose connector to fit the inlet port. Some instructions with respect to drain hose connection are listed on the screen. There are two methods of installation. You can either install directly below a countertop surface, method A, or into a wall cabinet, method B. This video covers the instructions for method A. For method B, refer to the installation instructions. As the first step, determine the location and identify the clearance specifications. The base cabinet must have a width of 27 inches or more. The height of the cavity must be 18¼ inches. Width 22 inches, and depth 22 to 25 inches. Frame overlap will be 2 3/8 inches and will conceal cut edges on all sides of the opening. If installing below a countertop, cabinet door, or surface, leave at least 2 1/4 inches clearance above the opening for trim kit overhang. If installing above a cabinet door or surface, leave at least 3 1/4 inches clearance below the opening for trim kit overhang and to mount screws. Construct a solid dishwasher floor of 3/8 inch minimum thick plywood supported by 2x4 or 2x2 runners on all sides. It must be able to support the weight of dishwasher and contents. The support must be level and rigidly mounted, flush with the bottom edge of the cutout. The power supply receptacle for the appliance should be installed in a cabinet or on a wall adjacent to the built-in space in which the appliance is to be installed. There should be an opening through the partition that is large enough for the attachment plug to pass through. The edges of the opening should be smooth and rounded if the partition is wood. If the cabinet wall is metal, the hole must be covered with a bushing. Care should be exercised when the appliance is installed or removed to reduce the likelihood of damage to the power supply cord. The next step is to connect the water supply hose and the drain hose to the dishwasher. First, make sure the electrical cord is unplugged before installing hoses. To install the water supply hose, fix a rubber washer on one end of the water supply hose. Thread the water supply hose onto the interconnector on the rear of the dishwasher. Hand tighten and use pliers to tighten hose between 1/8 and 1/4 inch turn beyond hand tight. Be careful to not cross thread, as this can create a poor connection resulting in leaks. Note: always ensure hose rubber gaskets are installed and free from leaks when pressurized. Install the drain hose using same care as the water hose to ensure no leaks. Important note: ensure that the drain hose does not rub against sharp objects and is not kinked. If you want to change the toe kick from carbon black to stainless, remove the 2 screws that secure the decorative toe kick to the dishwasher. Remove the carbon black toe kick and replace with the stainless toe kick. Replacement of the 2 screws is not required. Open the unit and remove the 4 interior plug buttons. Push out the exterior rubber plugs from the inside of the tub. Access to these 4 holes will be needed later in the installation. Set the frame in place and secure the dishwasher to the frame through the top mounting holes using the 2 Type B screws with washer and nuts. Replace top interior plug buttons. Pass the electrical cord and 2 hoses through the hole in the cabinet. Place the dishwasher into cabinet cutout and position it so the frame is flush with the cabinet. Open the dishwasher and then attach it to the cabinet using 2 Type D screws. If required, drill pilot holes. Replace the side interior plug buttons. To fix the frame to the cabinet, use 2 Type C screws to attach the frame on the cabinet front. Connect the water supply and drain hoses to the house connections. Plug power cord into receptacle. As the final step, turn on power at circuit breaker fuse box. The installation is complete.